Hello, hello. As promised, today long drift from Jemeluk beach all the way to the middle of the Bunutan beach. What is good about these dives at the moment is that we can discover the places which we usually wasn't able to do just because simply there's not enough air for our students, and or there was always different plans because we were on really pretty tight schedule. We always did some, everybody's of course asking for the most popular dive sites. Well, actually we forgot that all these middles between the dive sites also can be really incredible and interesting. Not always, definitely not always, but there's something. But you know, this discovery thing, that's the one really important thing. That's how all these reefs became discovered, because before 1970s there was no one really diving here. Someone did this discovery, and that's why we're diving at these dive sites at the moment. So we're gonna do a little bit more the middle of the Bunutan. Since we have plenty of air, we're gonna use nitrox and air. All of us, we have technical diving computers, so we can switch the gases. For the deeper part, we will use the nitrox 32, and then we will come up. So it would be really interesting actually. So anyways, we're gonna stay with the no stop limits. So we're gonna use nitrox for the depth. So let's say 30 meters, that's the maximum depth for this dive. At 30 meters we're gonna use the nitrox, then we will come up to some 18 meters, then we will switch to the air. That's what we're gonna do. At the moment we're just preparing, then loading up in a car, and the next time you will see us, it will be from the Jemeluk. today there is a high tide and it's not that comfortable to walk on the beach. And the high tide, it takes a lot of space here. So what we did today? Today we did 110-minute dive. We covered about 2 kilometers. So that's basically, we started from the Jemeluk beach where the Bali luxury dive shop is, and we swam. Actually, there was no drift at all. We swam around 2 kilometers. Beautiful reef, amazing reef, I would like to say. I don't know why we never swam there. I know actually, because like I said previously, when you're diving with someone who has only one tank, so then you have no air to cover all this area. While today we did dives with 2 tanks, then of course we were able to cover a really big area. The deepest point was 29 meters, and the shallowest we spent a lot of time at 8-10 meters. Like I said, we had the nitrox and we had normal air, so that's why that was actually pretty easy to do it. I came back from the diving and I said cool. That was amazing, that was amazing. Just simply, as you can see from this footage, the shallow part is incredible. All these small fishes, green color, which looks like a small candies, healthy corals, really big areas of the healthy corals. It reminds me really, like I said already previously, it reminds me like Raja Ampat or Papua New Guinea. Of course, definitely in Raja Ampat and Papua New Guinea, these hard coral gardens are way bigger than here. But anyways, it's really, I'm really amazed about that place. The visibility wasn't really good, and there is this cold current coming up, which brings a lot of this nutrition, which is good actually for the corals. And I don't believe, I never really seen in that area amazing or super good visibility, just because, you know, the corals are blooming and everything there is alive. So that's why good visibility plus corals. All right, thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.